There's a little bird. I don't know what it is. It's a peaceful little thing. It's like, is that a scissor tail something or another? I don't know. Yeah, it's not even worried about me. I'll probably fly off here in a minute, but it's just sitting up there on that side, not giving a hoot. It's like a flycatcher or something. It's neat seeing animals that you don't normally see, plus some that you do. And even like I find like there are little squirrels here, the gray squirrels. But, you know, in Arlington, Virginia, where they have the black ones, which are really rare. But what I've noticed here is the gray squirrels here have much more brown. They're brown. They're gray on the back, but they don't have the white feet. They're brown feet and brown, which makes a lot of sense because they're on the ground a whole lot more. Here, you know, there's not as many trees to climb, so they're more colored with the ground foliage. So rather than sort of like the gray squirrels in North Carolina have more of a white belly and white feet, and that blends in pretty good with the trees, the oak trees, and those sorts of things. But yeah, so it's all the same species of squirrel. They're just the ones in Arlington. And Arlington had a pretty much a mix of the black ones and the gray squirrels with more of the white, like they have in North Carolina. But out here, they've got much more brown, almost like a reddish brown, sort of like a similar color to the little chipmunks on their feet and their sides their sides. But their back and their head is gray. So yeah, you see the prairie dogs and those interesting ravens, all kinds of things. Lots of rabbits. Our rabbits really love it here. Lots of rabbits. Just a nice, cools off fast out here. Cool air comes out of the west, out of the mountains. So it makes the nights are usually not usually very hot. Big difference in day and night, which the Outer Banks, of course, is moderated by the water, but once you get inland from the Outer Banks, you get a pretty big difference between day and night temperatures, even in central North Carolina, but not as much of a difference as here. It really changes drastically from day to night temperatures. And the breeze, most nights the breeze picks up out of the west because that's that cool air flowing down. You see almost as many electric bikes as you do old school pedal bikes. I'm not sure if that'll last for that long. I guess the regular bike goes pretty fast down these hills, but the electric bikes, I mean, they can keep right on going fast uphill. So I'm not sure. It's going to be interesting to see if they ever like put speed limit signs up or you know, prohibit them. Right now it doesn't seem like it's an issue, but I have seen some electric bikes come by here so fast that and they're heavier and they got bigger tires, so it's not exactly, eventually there will be a bad accident. Well, just enjoy every day. I think my battery might be getting low, or my storage might be getting full. I haven't posted any of these videos on YouTube yet. I saw a duck. I don't know what kind of duck it was. Probably a mallard. Some of a mallard or a black duck. You know, this low areas here have marsh grass and waterfowl come in here on some of these ponds and lakes. All the beautiful flowers. Look at those beautiful flowers. Aren't they pretty? Look at that. Ooh, something's moving around in the grass down there. Be careful, there's some rattlesnakes around here. All right. Oh, there are lots of blackbirds. Oh, there's your bunny rabbit. Hey, little bunny, you're a young one. I didn't even see you there. He's probably, all right, leave you alone. You're probably still trying to stay away from snakes too. Yeah. Oh, red-winged blackbird. The sounds of the birds walking through here is very pleasant. Just chirping away. Okay. Another day on planet Earth. Enjoy every day. Be grateful. I love you.